thing from me, from Sia, what he was saying is, don't let anyone change your spirit. Doc, you're a lovely human being. You're a nice person. We want to preserve that niceness. There's no bar by being nice. Continue being the guy we know you to be, even when the other ones come after you.
Back to Satellite Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-smoke and mirrors. Well guys, i-character ke ka Mpendulo ngampela ke bayibulela. I think in one of the videos I did mention ukuthi uMpendulo guys indlela ke i-storyline sakhe esihamba ngakhona kuba sengazi they about to end i-character yakhe. So ke yeah guys, bakithi kade ngibuka nje lama video la u2 bevayelisa kuyena bemtshela ukuthi kena umuntu oright kanjani and angashintshi, especially ke ubaba wakhe ke the on screen father uSakhile kanye ke noma wakhe ke uThandiswa bebemtshela nje ukuthi nje he must not change, he must remain the person awuyena. And ke we are hoping ukuthi sophinde simbone futhi on our screen, basho nokusho ukuthi ke bambonile khula khona lana ke ekuthini kwakhe. Yeah guys, we are hoping ukuthi sophinde simbone ke bakithi uMpendulo njengoba hamba ke wayeMozambique. That was the end of i-character yakhe we Smoke and Mirrors. Dala bemgxumagxumisa kakhulu. I started to observe ukuthi ngenze ke hambe ngesikhathi ke ethumba ke uJason nangesikhathi ke konje wenzani ngesikhathi nje sisebenza indaba yezibhamu esebhizinisi yezibhamu efuna ukuyibuyiselela ngasho ngathi le character le it coming to an end. Uthema ngabe sekuthiwa uyahamba kweMozambique, hayi ngabona ukuthi hayike usehambile ke ngampela ke. Farewell to him guys. We are hoping ukuthi sophinde simbone kwamanye ke ama production. Usebenzile kakhulu umfana bakithi, sibonile nathi ekhula laphana ke kuona ke lo mdlalo weSmoke and Mirrors. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.